This is Google 7a. If you are owning one of these or Pixel 7, you might have encountered battery issue. And the solution they have provided is still not very good. Google announced a repair program for it, but the issue is they are not expecting most of the devices to have the swelling problem, but there are some that are not eligible for free replacement are facing this battery swelling issue. This is the Pixel 7a my brother brought around 18 months ago, and it works well for a year and then started swelling. This one, when I checked, it was not under that batch, but still it had that swelling issue. And I contacted the Google customer service, and they said that I should visit the nearby service center, which is like standard procedure. And I went to Bangalore service center. For in my case, they did replace the battery, and my and the back glass was not swollen and damaged, so for me there was no issue. Thankfully I got replaced, but I spoke with many in the service center. The issue is even deeper. A lot of people lost their back cover, and the battery is cheap. If you lose this back cover, for 7 it was there. It is I think around 12,000 rupees, and for 7A I think 7,000 rupees. That is a big sum, and Google should have just blanket ban announced that if you are having a Pixel 7 or 7A and you have a battery swelling issue, they should have replaced both the battery, and in case if the back panel is damaged, they should have replaced that as well. But they are not doing that, and this is very disappointing. Google has this option to send it to the service center, but the problem is you are not sure of guaranteed replacement. If you are sure of guaranteed replacement, you may send it to the service center and they'll replace and they'll send it back. But they don't do that. They say that in their website. If you can see, I'll just add that screenshot. Only some Pixel 7a and 7 are eligible, but in my case and several others that I spoke during my visit to the service center, where they came for the battery replacement, most of them were not eligible according to the website. See, this is the problem. Like, a lot of people might end up throwing the phone away because they have no way of knowing that Google is replacing this for free if it is battery swelling issue. But as far as I know, like, they don't say that they'll do that. And also this back case issue, this is a plastic and glass back case. These are really expensive. I was surprised that they are charging 13,000 rupees for just a back glass. If you have a battery swelling issue, they should have replaced it, because these are not old phones, and in 2025 you don't expect batteries to swell. Most of the companies place it without any questions, because that's a very serious fire risk as well. You might find unfair for me to call out Google even though I got a replacement, but I was not sure I would get, because I just simply went and wanted to check. Otherwise, I wouldn't have known that they would replace. I just checked my IME and it was showing your device is not affected, but still it was. Yeah, thankfully I got my battery replaced, but I'll be skeptical going forward buying a Pixel phone, considering how this is panning out. Let me know if you have faced the same issue with Pixel 7, Pixel 7a, and you got your battery replaced or you paid for it. Hopefully Google improves the service, they add more service centers, and also do this replacement for most users, and that's the way you build trust. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.